Welcome to Stock Smarts, where we talk about money, success, financial freedom, and the mindset needed to thrive. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the fake rich. Who are they? How can you spot them? And why is pretending to be rich a losing game? Stay tuned to learn how to avoid these traps and discover what truly wealthy people focus on instead. The fake rich are people who appear to have wealth but don't actually have financial stability. They flaunt luxury items, expensive cars, and designer brands. But behind the scenes, they're drowning in debt or living paycheck to paycheck. For these individuals, image is everything. They crave the appearance of success rather than its reality. But remember this, being rich isn't about what you show others. It's about what you keep. Here are 6 common signs that someone might be pretending to be rich. 1. Flashy purchases. They're always showing off the latest designer bags, flashy jewelry, or a new car, even when their financial situation doesn't add up. Ask yourself, do they have assets or are they just accumulating liabilities? 2. Lifestyle on credit. Many fake rich people fund their lifestyle with loans or credit cards. The car might look luxurious, but they're probably making monthly payments they can barely afford. 3. No real investments. Real wealth comes from assets, Bitcoin, stocks, real estate, or businesses. The fake rich focus only on appearances and rarely invest in long-term financial growth. 4. Chasing trends. They'll jump on every social media trend to appear relevant, spending money on things they don't need to impress people they don't know. 5. Living beyond means. Their monthly expenses are way higher than their income. If they lost their job tomorrow, everything would crumble. 6. Constant bragging. The fake rich love to talk about money, their purchases, and their success. But remember, real wealth whispers, fake wealth screams. 7. Obsession with status symbols. They are obsessed with status symbols like luxury watches and high-end gadgets. These items are more about showing off than actual utility. 8. Extravagant lifestyle. They frequent high-end restaurants and take photos of their meals to post online. It's all about maintaining an image rather than enjoying the experience. So, pretending to be rich comes with serious consequences. Let's explore why you should avoid this trap at all costs. 1. Crippling debt. The fake rich often spend money they don't have. This leads to a cycle of debt that can be almost impossible to escape. Instead of building wealth, they're digging a financial hole. 2. Stress and anxiety. Living a fake lifestyle is exhausting. Constantly trying to keep up appearances creates mental and emotional strain. 3. No real wealth. By focusing on appearances, the fake rich miss out on opportunities to build real financial security. Wealth isn't about looking rich today, it's about being rich tomorrow. 4. Lost respect. People eventually see through the facade. Pretending to be something you're not often leads to a loss of credibility and trust. Now, let's talk about the real rich, those who've built through wealth. Here are the key differences between them and the fake rich. 1. They prioritize investments over image. The real rich put their money into assets that grow over time, like stocks, real estate, and businesses. They know wealth isn't built through spending, it's built through investing. 2. They live below their means. The real rich often live modestly, driving reliable cars, wearing simple clothes, and focusing on value rather than labels. 3. They focus on financial education. Understanding money is their superpower. They spend time learning about investments, taxes, and wealth building strategies. 4. They value privacy. True wealth doesn't need validation. The real rich don't feel the need to prove anything to others. 5. They build generational wealth. Instead of chasing short term gratification, they think long term. They invest in creating a legacy for their families. Real wealth isn't about showing off, it's about security, freedom, and options. It allows you to live life on your terms without worrying about bills or impressing others. The fake rich are trapped in a cycle of consumption, but the real rich focus on growth. They understand that wealth is a tool, not a trophy. If you want to avoid the fake rich lifestyle and start building true wealth, here are some practical steps. 1. Create a budget. Know where your money is going. Track your expenses and focus on saving and investing. 2. Invest early and often. Put your money into assets that grow over time. Start small but stay consistent. 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you need to spend more. Keep your lifestyle simple and let your wealth grow. 4. Learn about money. Read books, take courses, and talk to financial advisors. Knowledge is your greatest asset. 5. Stay humble. Wealth doesn't need to be loud. Focus on your goals, not on impressing others. One of the most crucial elements in building and maintaining real wealth is financial education. Understanding how money works, how to invest wisely, and how to manage your finances effectively can make a world of difference. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, and Your Money or Your Life by Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez offer invaluable insights. Online courses, podcasts, and webinars also provide excellent opportunities for learning. Staying updated with financial news and trends is equally important. Websites like Investopedia, financial news apps, and reputable YouTube channels offer a wealth of information. Don't underestimate the power of mentorship. Learning from someone who has successfully navigated the financial landscape can provide you with practical advice and strategies. Remember, continuous learning and adapting to new information are keys to sustaining and growing your wealth. Financial education isn't a one-time event, it's a lifelong journey. The world is full of people trying to look rich, but don't fall for the trap. Real wealth is silent, powerful, and focused on freedom, not appearances. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And remember, the goal isn't to look rich, it's to build real wealth.